Welcome to this video on how to use the callout block. The callout block is a really versatile tool that lets you highlight important information, things like key messages, announcements, or special offers, and it helps you make content stand out, ensuring that visitors don't miss important information. To add a callout block, follow these steps. First, you're going to add the block using the block inserter. Once you've added the block, enter your title here. And then you will enter the details about whatever you're highlighting. And you also have the option to add a button or two, which is great as a call to action. Let's center that button. And then you'll notice over here on the right, you also have some options for the callout block. To display it, you can choose to display it center, left, or right. And you can also change the width to be small, medium, or large. Let's just have a look at how that looks on the front end of our website. And that is it. You've successfully added a callout block to your website.